If we built a time machine and traveled 1 billion years into the future, we wouldn't find flying cars or futuristic cities. We would find a planet that is unrecognizable. This is the Earth, at the end of its habitable life. The primary driver of this new world is the Sun. Over 1 billion years, the Sun's brightness has increased by 10%. That sounds small, but the consequences are apocalyptic. The surface temperature has skyrocketed to an average of 47 degrees Celsius, 116 degrees. The Goldilocks zone has moved, and Earth has been left behind. The oceans are dying. The intense heat has triggered a moist greenhouse effect. Massive amounts of ocean water have evaporated into the upper atmosphere, where solar radiation breaks the molecules apart, letting the hydrogen escape into space. The blue marble is turning into a dune world. The great oceans are reduced to isolated boiling salt lakes. On the surface, complex life is gone. 1 billion years from now, carbon dioxide levels have dropped so low that photosynthesis is impossible. 99% of plant life died out millions of years ago, taking the animals with them. The age of mammals is over. The Earth belongs to single-celled extremophiles once again, hiding in deep caves and the last salty puddles. Even the sky has changed physics. The moon has drifted far enough away from Earth that total solar eclipses are now impossible. The moon is too small to cover the swollen sun. It is a lonely eye, staring down at a sterilized world. 1 billion years from now, Earth is a quiet, hot, and empty tomb, waiting for the sun to finally swallow it whole.